Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to know and learn what are data types in Python and how to use in programming language. So super easily, first I would like to share you a few words about data types. So go over here, creating a new file, data types, and here you may observe like this is the hash means nothing but like a comment line. Data types in Python. Basically, I'll tell you a few data types. See, like if it is the name when I specified here, it is called like a string data type, and age if I call it as a something like some number. If I specified here, it is called as like a number integer data type. And one more thing I would like to tell you, like yes, float data type, like which is like a price is there, no? So the price, if it is specified like like a 90.2 or something else, any of decimal point which is there, which is called like a floating data type, and which is not surrounded with the single or double quotes. Strongly observe over here, very strongly you have to observe over here. And the application status purpose, we can use like a true or false in this way. TRUE, true or false Boolean expressions. These are the majorly we'll use for data types. And in advance, what type of more things are available, we'll see using ChatGPT. Yes, let's go back to ChatGPT. Once you logged in as you were using your credentials in ChatGPT, yes, let's see now what are data types in Python. Explain data types in Python also you can specify. Yes, explain data types in Python. Yes, see, just I am sending a question to my ChatGPT. In Python, data types refers to the type of value which are going to be held inside the variable. Perfectly. The following are built-in data types in Python: integer, float, string, list. Yes, list items means like a group of items which are going to be adding into like an array, like an array. All right, now one more thing, it's a tuple and a set and a dictionary and a Boolean expression. So like what these are, sets and tuples and list are nothing but like a dictionary even, which are going to be like a making a group of items only, how to interact and collect one by one. And moreover, Boolean we have discussed right now. In addition to the Python, also complex numbers of the binary data types and bytes and data types, and these all are you can explore one by one by knowing. And here I'll give you a super easy technique to understand here how you can explain integer data type more detailedly. In that way, explain integer explain integer data type in Python. Just hit it. You just hit and explore more. Just check the question. I have sent a question. Yes, int is a whole number, positive or negative, without any fractional part. It is used to represent a count of like numbers, maybe positive or negative or 0 in the Python, like 3 plus 5 and 10 minus 7. If you would like to know more, see, it's applying arithmetic operators also. This is called like whenever you want to apply, strongly I would like to say a simple example. Whenever you want to know and calculate something in Python coding, then you have to use integer data type without surrounded quotes. That's the information you have to understand. The same way you just try with the float, string, list, tuple, set, dictionary, Boolean. To very less time you should understand about the complete data types in Python. I hope it's a very super easy lecture. Thank you.